What is up, guys? My name is Mike. And welcome back to Top Crypto. Today we are going to talk about my metaverse. But before we begin, please be advised by our disclaimer since I'm not a financial advisor, so this video is for informational and educational purposes only. So, without further ado, let us begin. What is a metaverse? The metaverse is a concept of an online, 3D universe that combines multiple different virtual spaces. Video games currently provide the closest metaverse experience on offer. Cryptocurrencies can be a great fit for a metaverse as they allow for creating a digital economy. My Metaverse is a platform for powered NFT for gaming. For example, games that are featured here: GTA and Minecraft. You can also earn NFT by playing video games, by simply adding a game to this website, and by playing it, you will be able to earn NFT. Here is how you can play. First, you must join a game, depends on which game that is available at this site or to the game that you added. Then click the My Metaverse link that is in the game. Make sure that the link is approved. Receive NFTs to your account. And you can also trade your NFTs to your friends and possible to other players. There are two featured games in this website, Minecraft and GTA. But you can also add your personal game, depends on what you want to play while you earn. Ways to avoid and protect yourself from blockchain gaming and NFT scams. Crypto as an industry threatens bureaucracy itself, which is one of the most popular business models in today's society. So you are never far from a person frothing with anticipation at the chance to tear it down a peg. It is almost a trope at this point, but the common comparison is with the Wild West. They might be right, but not in the way they intend. They are always willing to take on the role of a peacekeeping agency in crypto, and at My Metaverse they are happy to do so. In this article, they will walk through numerous ways you can insulate yourself from projects that aim to hide in the shadows of confusion and extract your money. MetaCity. The MetaCity team is making it their mission to show how NFTs can integrate into the tried and true Minecraft experience. Now, what if I told you that there was a new type of real estate that you could plant roots in and call home? This is why we are using NFT Real Estate to pay homage to what Mojang has built by allowing our players to enjoy a free experience, creating a realistic digital life that they can own forever. How to get NFT real estate? MetaCity only has 70 NFT real estate plots available, so keep that in mind as you search for the perfect place to call home. There will be new worlds with more land opening in the near future. Once you have filled your coffers with enough capital coins, you can claim a unique plot of land to call your own. MetaCity will be an ever-evolving landscape, with plans spanning far off into the future. More immediately, they have plans to add more arenas, and a survival world where you can chart your own territory and create NFT land plots that are big enough to become townships or even bustling cities. And that is all for My Metaverse. Come visit our channel, subscribe, and watch out for our next videos here at Top Crypto. Thank you for watching.